Staring at a viral video of a toilet bowl turning from brown to pristine white in 3 seconds is a special kind of internet-induced hypnosis. We see these ads everywhere lately. They show some magic powder hitting the water. Suddenly the whole bowl is foaming up like a middle school volcano project. The claims are wild. They promise to erase years of rust and lime scale in moments. They say you do not even have to scrub. This sounds like a dream for anyone who hates cleaning. But we need to look at the reality behind these Restora Bowl claims. It feels like this product was born in the same marketing factory as every other miracle cleaner we see on social media. They changed the name, they swapped the label, then they run the same exaggerated footage. These ads look like pure wizardry. You pour it in and watch the bubbles do all the heavy lifting. But real customers are sharing a very different story. They say the foam's weak and barely reaches the rim. It does not lift the deep stains. You still end up on your knees with a brush in your hand. That completely ruins the promise of effortless cleaning. It is a classic bait and switch. Have you noticed how many of these brands look exactly the same? One day, it is one brand name. The next day, it is something else. They use the same exaggerated videos of toilets that look like they have been sitting in a swamp for a century. If you have serious hard water buildup, a little bit of fizzy powder is not going to solve your problems. You need real chemicals. You need real elbow grease. The part that really gets me is the billing side of things. People try to get their money back when the product fails. Then they hit a brick wall of customer service. The companies technically offer a refund policy, but they make it almost impossible to actually use. They make you pay for return shipping. Often that shipping costs more than the cleaner itself. Most people just give up at that point. It is one of the oldest tricks in the digital store handbook. They make the process so annoying that you just walk away and let them keep your money. Is it a total scam? It certainly feels like it is leaning that way. It might handle very light stains that a wet cloth could fix. But it is nowhere near the revolutionary breakthrough they claim it to be. You are much better off going to the local store and getting a bottle of the heavy-duty stuff. Let it soak for a bit. Do the actual work. It is not as flashy as a viral video. It does not make for a great social media post, but it actually works. Chasing these internet miracle powders usually leads to a lighter wallet and a still dirty bathroom. It is high time we stop falling for the fizz. The marketing is designed to trigger our desire for an easy fix. We want to believe that a spoonful of powder can fix a decade of neglect. But chemistry does not usually work that way. These companies rely on the fact that most of us will not go through the hassle of a return. They bank on the impulse buy. They know the video looks satisfying. That satisfaction is the only thing they are actually selling. The actual cleaning power is just an afterthought. Stick to what you know. Stick to the brands that have been around for decades. Your toilet and your bank account will both be much better off in the long run. Do not let a well-edited video convince you that physics has been rewritten. Cleaning takes effort. It takes the right tools. It takes time. This product is just another flash in the pan designed to grab your cash before you realize it is just bubbles and hype. Real results require real work, not magic foam.